Won't you take me home? Give me wings to fly. We can run away. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me.
Y'all, we're at the store. It's probably kind of hard to hear, especially with the mask, but got the kids. What are we making?
Cookies.
Alright, so what do we need for ingredients?
We need flour, baking soda, brown. Where's that baking
We
soda?
need brown sugar. Where's brown sugar, y'all?
Oh, brown sugar.
Alright, let's go this way, y'all. Come on. Alright, come on. Come on. We need brown sugar. Oh, there's brown sugar, right?
Yep.
Come on.
Right here?
Alright.
This one?
We
What
need
else?
the light brown sugar, right?
Mhm.
Come on, right here.
Oh,
That's
it's too hard.
brown sugar. We got the baking soda
Cookies.
and the chocolate chips. What else we need?
I don't know. Amount?
You know how to read, Jana? Jana,
I know how to read.
Jana, you know how to read?
No.
Not yet? You still working on it?
Salt.
Alright, we have salt at the house. We have butter at the house.
You need paprika, brown sugar. You need vanilla.
Ooh, where's the vanilla, you guys?
Right here.
Vanilla's gonna be in a short little thing, like a small little bottle.
Okay, look at it.
Okay? Probably down this way.
Can I pick it up this time?
You gonna help me find the vanilla? It's gonna be in a small little thing.
This is sweet, Mom. This is sweet.
Nope, that's frosting. Yeah. You see the vanilla?
Yeah.
Where you go?
Oh, I see it. It's right there. Where? Right here?
Nope, those are sprinkles.
Here?
Sprinkles. Found the vanilla, y'all. It might be in a box too.
Oh, found no. Oh, it's on here. It's on
Alright,
here.
hold on. Y'all gotta move. We got a lady coming through.
It's not vanilla. That's
Hold on, get on one side of the aisle. Okay. Alright. Can y'all find the vanilla?
Right here. Vanilla.
Kinda. It's like that. It's spelled just like this. Look,
What
look,
is
look.
vanilla?
It's gonna be a liquid. Mm-hmm.
This one, Mommy.
Where's your mask, girl? Hey, boys.
Yeah,
I'm sure it's this way.
it is.
Probably.
I thought you said it's right there.
I don't know.
Right here. Oh,
Which one do you want?
this one? This one.
You think we need the big one or we need one that's smaller? Probably smaller.
You guys didn't say thank.
What?
I don't know.
Oh, thank you, Jay.
Thank you.
What else we need?
Large eggs. Huh?
Large eggs. We got those at the house.
I never need cups. Where do you have that?
Cups. It says 2 large eggs and what?
Oh, cups.
Brown sugar, vanilla extract.
Nutella. What is it?
No. I think we're good. We got everything. We got the brown sugar. We got the baking soda. We got the flour at the house.
Eggs.
We got eggs at the house.
You need nuts.
We don't need nuts. You're already nuts. See?
I need sweet stuff.
Sugar. Alright, y'all. Y'all ready?
We need Nutella. No, we
Is
need.
that extract? Yeah,
we
we got it.
Look,
Hey.
We need the.
Hey.
We need some milk.
Hi, Gianna.
We need the. Are we gonna eat something? Remember when we said at home? Are we gonna eat the cookies? No, the other one.
Bacon eggs?
No. What? No, what's the cookies? Remember you said we're gonna eat something.
What, milk?
No. When we first
decorate
them? No, you said
You want to decorate chocolate chip cookies?
no.
Because if we're going to do that, we got to get sugar cookies, not chocolate chip.
No, remember you said like we're gonna I need some baskets.
Whoa, what was that?
Then he said, oh, we want to eat
Is that basket too heavy for you?
No.
Okay.
No. Dad.
Want to put these in the cart?
No, I already got one. So you can put that back.
Remember when you said, Jaden? What? No, say this. Remember the first thing you said when you got
You need a haircut, son.
something?
Jay?
Yeah.
Okay, y'all, we are back and we have all of our ingredients here. And we have our brown sugar, our flour, our baking soda, our salt, our butter, our chocolate chips, and we got our kids here. Why you look so bored?
Because you're not even doing
You look
nothing.
geeked up. How much sugar you eat? You haven't even opened the chocolate chips yet.
Taking too long.
All right, so what we're gonna do here, we gotta grab 2 1/4 cups of flour, Jay.
Oh, okay.
No,
All right, come on.
Flour, Mommy.
Pour it or throw the entire cup into the flour.
Oh my god. I'm so scared. You know
All right,
how-
level it out. You know how to level it?
Yeah, I know.
Like this. Gianna, leave it.
I'm gonna wipe it up.
Does it measure up to the 2?
Yep.
All right, then we pour it in. Hold on. Into.
This is fun.
Hold on, buddy. We're not done yet.
Oh yeah.
All right, we need it in our small bowl. You throw it into our small bowl. All right, now you need a quarter. You know where the quarter is?
Yeah.
What's a quarter?
It's a 1 to 4.
1/4? Okay. Gianna, leave it
not.
alone.
No, it's not.
Hold on, you gotta level it.
I know, that's what I did. I think that's
You gonna level it again? Alright. Hold on, put it flat on the table. Shake it out flat. Like this. Is it up to the 1/4 yet?
nope.
Ah, it looks like it is.
It's like
Maybe you need a little bit more.
You okay?
No, why would you do that?
Yeah, that's done.
What is wrong with you?
What?
She's a kid. She's having fun.
Yeah.
Alright, what is next on our list? We need 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
Who's that's turn? That's Jaden.
So, teaspoon. Let's scratch, Gianna. Teaspoon. That's a table.
Wait, put this up then. Put this up.
You need to find the little black spoon.
Ow, dude!
What?
I'm blind because it just went in my eye.
Alright, Jaden, we got what? The teaspoon? Alright, come over here. Alright, we need baking soda. Okay, level it off. Like this. Level it off. And then that goes into the flour. Alright, now you need one of those, but for salt. So go ahead and pour the salt into that.
Wait.
Okay, you can use it on top of that. You will. Hold on. Why you look so sad? Huh? Huh?
Yeah, that's it.
Is it level? Alright. Don't touch your nose because I saw you sniffling. Are you sniffling over there too? See, now you wiped your nose. You gotta wash your hands. Because you can't touch none of the food if you're wiping your nose.
Can I do this?
Nope. We gotta go on to the next list. Alright, what we got, Jay?
So what's this in?
What's it say next on here? If we did the salt, what comes after salt? I don't know. Does that say salt?
I don't know.
It says 1 cup of butter. So, you got the measuring cup, right?
That's down to them. Yeah. You hear it?
Alright, here you go. You know where the 1 cup is?
Where do I put this?
Where's the 1 cup on there? Hold on, where? Hold on, where?
Will you help her?
Jan. No, let her do it. She gotta be a big girl.
What's it?
That's a 1 or that's a 2? Nope, that's ounces. We gotta go on this side of the cup. See, there's a 2 and there's a 1. We need to fill the butter all the way to the 1. Okay? Keep it going, Mama. Keep going, keep going.
You're looking at the wrong way.
Ooh, Jaden, you wanna go grab the sugar out of the fridge?
Ooh, you forgot that.
No, I got sugar. It's right there in the door.
I know, you forgot that. I didn't put that on too.
Don't let the body armor fall.
Dang, that's enough.
Keep going. I need a cup of butter. That's not even a cup.
I'm gonna be doing this.
I'm gonna let Jay do that next.
No.
Alright. This right here though, you can,
Stop, Jill.
if you take this,
Oh my! Why is she even a part
take
of
this,
this?
leave her alone.
I don't want, Mommy.
Y'all being so rude.
There.
What you got going on?
No.
You think that's a 1 cup of butter?
Yep.
We already preheated the oven, right? To 375? Come look over here. We up to 375? I gotta clean that. Yep, 375.
No, not yet.
That is not a cup of butter, girl. Look, 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 look. Down, look. Look, you gotta smush it down. You're not gonna know if it's not level to the thing, to the measuring cup. Look at me. You're not even looking at me, girl.
I'm trying to do that.
Alright, look, go like this. Hold up.
Let me get it started. Feelings driving.
What?
Hold up. Let me get it started.
Let me electrocute.
Hold up. Let me get it started. Feeding with ramen. Looking all charted.
Alright, where are we at? You got 1 cup?
We got 5.
Nope, we need more butter. Girl, what are you trying to do?
At my ready.
Jama, hurry up.
Okay.
You gotta stop being rude.
She's doing this over her. Jeez.
Ooh, you dropped the vanilla.
There.
That's not.
Alright, let me see.
That's more than 1 cup.
What's that?
Alright, hold on to this.
Looking retarded.
Hey, that's not nice to say.
I didn't say to her.
We don't say that.
6'9".
Doesn't matter.
I'm trying to push it down.
You damn it.
Push it
No.
down.
No, get your hair away.
He's about to pause it. No?
Alright, that's about 1 cup of butter. We gotta be perfect. Okay. Ready?
Yep.
Girl, boy, you don't even know what you're doing. Hello?
Does everyone need
Now I'm gonna pull it.
Hello? No, it don't go in there, Jayana. It goes in this one.
Don't do that.
It ain't gonna come out.
John, stop.
Better use that. Better scoop it and put it right here.
John, no.
Wait.
What else?
So what do we need here?
We need some sugar.
We need 3/4 cup of sugar. You know where that is?
What, how much again?
3/4.
34.
Look on here. Where is it?
3.
Can you point it out to me?
Huh?
Your thumb's right by it.
Okay.
See where it says 3/4 right here?
Oh.
That's where you need to go. Okay?
Let's go.
3/4 sugar. Is that too much? Let me see. What you got?
Good. Let me.
Gianna, stop. Is it 3/4? Hey.
Let's see.
Yeah, it is. Look at that. Perfect. On the dot. Alright. Now, that goes in with the sugar. I mean, with the butter. Go ahead and pour it in there.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. All of it?
Oh, Jay.
Go ahead and put your hands in it, Jay. No. We need a little bit more in there. Just a little bit.
smell that?
That's vanilla.
No, that does not smell like vanilla. Smell that?
Jaden, come put this lid on for me, please.
Okay.
I lied. I already got it.
Mommy, can I do the egg?
Should I do one?
Yeah.
What did you say?
I just said something.
All right.
Turn it.
What?
Turn it. That's it.
Are you stirring it?
Yeah. Whoa. Yeah.
Ooh,
That's it.
there's it.
Ooh, better.
I don't know. I gotta try to get this vanilla off the table, though. You silly ghost. You silly ghost. Where you go?
Are you
I'm right here.
at the end of it?
All right. What's next? Okay. Stop mixing. Stop mixing. Ugh.
Yeah.
All right. I want you to crack 2 large eggs. Put it in there.
Yeah.
Jaden, you get one too.
Okay.
Do y'all think? Go. You can go ahead and pour it.
Yum.
All right. Got it in there. Now
Yep.
mix it. Mix it. Mix it.
Okay. Stop down.
2 cups of chocolate chips.
Not do it. Nope. It's actually Jaden's turn.
Y'all just crack the eggs. It's Shayana's turn.
No. Can we pour some though?
What did it say? I forget. 2 cups.
I'm not pouring it.
Oh, I'm
Mix it. I mean, level it.
on.
Oh.
Level it. Stop! I didn't ask you to eat it.
Well, then get
Level
you.
it. Level it, Jayana.
It's not fair.
Skip it. It's all going in.
Get that.
All right. Now, keep mixing. Keep mixing.
Oh, here comes the final round. Jaden do that. Let Jaden do that. Woo!
Start. Jayana, that raw egg was in there. That's nasty. Now you can actually tell your daddy you ate some raw egg. Because I know you said the other day that your daddy gave you a raw egg.
No. Oh, no, she did that. No,
I know. She said, what'd you say?
She gave her daddy.
My daddy gave me a raw egg.
No.
No.
I said, Daddy told her.
No, because that's when Rich was like, you ate an egg? And you said, yeah, I ate an egg.
No.
And then Rich gave you one, you're like, ew, nasty. How you look? Ew, nasty. Okay, keep stirring. Jaden, pour it in.
Okay.
Can I pour it? No, you already did that. Go. Ooh.
Jayana.
For the rest. Ew!
Keep going.
Not yet. Hey, wait
Ooh,
till all
yummy.
that's done.
Ew! Pour all in.
Be patient.
Pour it in, Jaden. I'm telling you what to do.
Dang, it's so hard now.
Oh no.
I know. Keep mixing it. Keep mixing it. Keep mixing
Can I
it.
mix it?
Here. Grab the other thing in the drawer. The whisk. The little... Oh, over.
Oh, that's fun.
This one.
I'm gonna do it.
All right.
Oh.
never can do nothing. Go then. I want some. Maybe you can eat some.
Can't.
No.
Hey.
Yeah.
No. It's not gonna be no cookies yet.
Eat one. That's it. Make sure you like, share, subscribe.